And go ahead, you're good to go.
Yeah, thank you. I'm Mathi Natarajan pursuing my MSc Agriculture Economics at Avi STBB Gwalior. Today I'm going to present on the topic of consequences of COVID-19 on agriculture commodities. Now I'm sharing my PPT. As we all are aware of novel coronavirus, COVID-19 has become the global health crisis and continues to spread across the world. Every the world played a pause button for a while. Still getting a plate of meal is necessary for survival, which directly means farming cannot be stopped for any reason. But in spite of it, agriculture sector has negative impact due to COVID-19. And here my research comes about it. And as you can see that in the first image, the novel coronavirus has attacked throughout the world. And in the immediate consequences, we can see that. And after examining the marketing sites like Apida, Exim, and going to the local markets, I noticed, and then noting the huge losses of growers, as you can have in the look in the middle column pictures, coming to related agriculture commodities and related agriculture sectors like horticulture sector, floriculture sector, and the dairy development have faced a huge losses, which led to ultimately distress of the farmers. In India, we have 4 phases lockdown from 25th March to 31st May. What are the circumstances we are facing here in India present? As the lockdown restricts the market access to the growers, export and import have been completely stopped, and ultimately the price fluctuations have been very high. And compared to the other sectoral industries, why the COVID-19 has a great negative impact on agriculture, because of this happened due to the perishability of the commodities. And hereby, what can we do to overcome these problems, and how can we solve this? So for here coming some suggestions given to the farmers, and first and foremost, my suggestions would be like giving first priority to their health and following the guidelines given by the WHO, and they should be clean important to their health and their surroundings clean, and following the hygiene practices. And next, if they are having the commodity to sell, and if they're not able to sell the commodities due to the lack of transportation or else, so they should have to think of the second option of improving the shelf life of the commodities by value addition. And next, the growers should have, in India particularly, we are having the marketing exposures like through marketing areas and marketing ads, and through farmers market. So now they have to develop themselves, and the growers should connect the consumers through the social media and e-platforms. And accordingly, they should plan the next season. And this pandemic is not going to end as soon as possible. So we have to well prepare for that. And by this, they should have to plan their next season crops, preferably considering the demand of the local markets so that they can easily sell their commodities due to the transportation facilities were completely stopped due to this pandemic. By this, they can enhance their economic conditions. As I said earlier, in the value addition, they should, for example, in the floriculture industries, they should have to, for example, you can take the rose. For that, they have to dry the petals, and they should have to, or else perfume manufacturing, and they should have the alternative thoughts in the floriculture industries. As you can see, the tomatoes were thrown in the middle image. For that, we have to prefer the jams, jellies, and ketchups. We should have to alternate byproduct manufacturing should be done. And as you can see, the third image in my presentation, and every growers and farmers should have to convert the dark phase of COVID-19 into the productive green phase. On this note, I would like to wind up with the hope that we all overcome the pandemic and its crisis one day. Thanking you all.